Do you or someone you know in your home struggles with allergy during spring? It is a beautiful season, but for allergy sufferers, it can be a challenge just to enjoy it. Today, I got some quick tips to help make your home an allergy-proof sanctuary. First up is to vacuum weekly. Dust and pet hair are big allergy triggers. Regular vacuuming keep your home clean and allergen levels low. Next is choose hyperallergenic. If you are allergy prone, switching to a hyperallergenic pillow and bedding can significantly reduce your exposure to allergens. I personally love linen. Next is combat nasty dust mites. These little critters thrive on dead skin cells and are a common cause of allergies. Wash your blankets and embedding in hot water weekly, and consider a steam cleaner on your furniture. Last is invest in a HEPA air purifier. It captures up to 99.97% of airborne allergens, including pollen, helping keep indoor air clean. Control humidity. Prevent mold by keeping your home dry with a good dehumidifier, particularly in high moisture areas like bathroom and if you have a basement. Implementing these steps can dramatically improve your springtime experience at home. As a real estate professional, my aim is not just to help you find the perfect property, but to ensure your home remains a sanctuary for you and your family. If you or someone you know is looking for advice on making a home more comfortable, or if you're thinking about buying or selling, remember, I am here to help. Bye for now.